Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Today we are going to dwell deep into facts about the less known grumpy blob sculpin. The blob sculpin, the deep water equivalent of grumpy cat, is a miserable looking fish that lives in very deep water in the seas of Australia and New Zealand, where it is found on or near the seabed at depths from 500 to 2800 meters. The maximum length is 70 centimeters. The head is broad and flattened. The eyes are large and widely separated, and the mouth is curved with fleshy lips. The dorsal fin has 8 spines and 19 to 20 soft rays, and the anal fin has no spines and 12 to 14 soft rays. The pectoral fins are broad, and in large individuals they have fleshy pads near their tips. The upper parts of the fish are gray or black, and the underparts pale with some indistinct mottling. I think this is the description of the fish on the whole. At their native depth, it is believed the blob fish has a more normal appearance. At the surface, without the water pressure to hold their shape, they appear to melt into a puddle of goo. This deep sea dweller is affixed with a permanent scowl and is basically a loose gelatinous sac. It was even named the world's ugliest animal in 2013. The diet of this fish consists mainly of such invertebrates as sea pens, crustaceans, and gastropod, mollusks, etc. Other items consumed include cephalopods, crinoids, sea cucumbers, and fish. Lacking both bones and teeth, they do not actively hunt. In fact, their extremely low muscle mass does not allow for much movement at all. Besides eating, conserving energy is the blobfish's main job. The female lays thousands of small pink eggs on the sea floor. Either the female or male blobfish will sit on the eggs to protect them from predators. Sculpins fan their eggs to keep them free of sand, which is an unusual behavior for a deep sea fish who tend to be a bit more lax when it comes to parenting their offspring. Some experts believe the blobfish could be under threat of extinction. Since they live at great depths, they are rarely seen and not much is known about them. They are often killed as bycatch by commercial fishing operators who trawl the ocean bottom. The change in pressure when it is brought to the surface allows little chance for the blobfish's survival. However, the conservationists are making huge attempts to save the sculpins. That's all for today. Hope you like this information about the blobfish. However, not much is known about them. See you all. Bye bye. This is Sujitra. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel because every day I will be uploading new episodes for you all. Thank you.